Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I will present about our mini project 2 car rental system. So our group member is, my name is SYAZWINA binti AZIZUL 13DDT20F1026, and my group member is Siti Nur Alia binti AHMAD DARMADI 13DDT20F1107, and Nurdiana Aisyah binti Ahmad MURAD 13DDT20F10F1. First is introduction. Car rental business provide a vehicle and other car for rent for fee usually charged either hourly or daily. It's, it is growing rapidly as there is an increase in demand for vehicle for rent, because individuals who own a car may use a rental car service when their car is damaged or waiting for insurance approval, while for those who do not own a car may need to use a rental car to get to the destination instead of using public transportation. The car, the rental car business is also not exposed to online car rental system that can facilitate the storage of customer data. So it's need to have a well-designed system that can be used by the rental car company to manage every related matter. Moreover, the input can be used smoothly and is easy for the user to use. The processor and procedure that will be to develop the system should ensure that the process is very for customer and car rental business to use. With this project developed, it can to some extent help in the car rental process. Next is statement of problem. Among the problem encountered is the slow process of the finding customer details. It entails to staff have to record booking manually, and it is difficult to produce monthly or annual report. Next, the customer personal information is not stored properly, and this will result in the lack of personal information. This manual system is also difficult to find out available rental car. Okay, next is objective. The main objective of the study was to design and implement a car rental system. The specific objective of the study was to develop a simple and secure system that protect customer information and organize confidently information. Also, to design a user-friendly system that allow customer to rent a vehicle easily without having to wait long just online. So they design a system that allow customer to use no matter when and where. To develop a system that store booking and booking information as well payment history to help organize, keep track transaction that have occurred before. It can also find out available rental car. So for scope, there are two types scope with this system, namely system scope and user scope. So user scope, among those involved are owner rental car owner have the power to update existing car and can also view notification and booking detail entered into the system. It can also update data and manage the system. For the customer must fill in personal detail before booking a car. Should also read the rental terms and booking information to make a car revision. In addition, it is also necessary to make a payment and deposit after booking. And for user admin can see the detail available in the system. In addition, administrator can also see the development of the system. For system scope, this system can be used by owner and admin of rental car in this car rental system. Each use each user have a different interface. The project focus on rental car. Customer need to access the car rental system using a registered account. For owner rental car, the system will be hosted by admin and rental car owner. Okay, rental car owner can update available car, check customer detail. For customer, the customer will perform some important process that have been identified, such as fill in personal detail, choose a location, fill in the rental car booking information. Lastly is admin. Admin can operate the system such as see development in the system, record customer detail, record car and locations, payment record and confirmation. So I will pass the presentation to Diana Aisyah.
Thank you, Najwa Shazwina. I will continue the presentation. First, project significant. This is the alternative for customer to rent the car, and it will easy to honor a rental car for store a lot of data. Customer. The data will collect in the system without using manual method like write in the paper. It is easy. Second is literature review. For the literature review, plural apps are used as a reference because the features are similar to the system that will be built. For example, visible interface like customer should select time and date to rent the car. Next is methodology. Figure 1 is the waterfall model for this project. This method will determine this analysis and maintenance. Waterfall model must be the important part before developing the system. There are requirement analysis that involve the process such as research problem, objective, and question. Second is design. Design the model can run clearly with the various functional state the design of the system must understood by user. Next is implementation. The process of constructing a system with programming based on what that has been designed include in the development. Testing. The phase and allow user to evaluate so far before the project moves to the next phase. Lastly is maintenance. Maintenance is the most important thing when develop the system to ensure the system can use without error. Our project refer to one web that is move our less same as the system to be developed. The author is O. Dustin and this web was published on 2018.
Thank you, Diana Aisyah. I will to continue the presentation. Gantt chart. Task name number 1 is prepare the planning. The duration is 3 days. The start date is 24 March 2022. The finish date 27 March 2022. Task name number 2 is requirement analysis. The duration is 15 days. Start date is 27 March 2022 and finish date is 10 April 2022. Number 3, task name design. Duration 30 days. The start date is 10 April 2022 and finish date is 9 May 2022. Number 4, task name implementation. Duration is 15 days. Start date is 9 May 2022. The finish date is 24 May 2022. Number 5, task name is testing. Duration is 10 days. Start date is 24 May 2022. The finish date is 3 June 2022. Task name number 6, maintenance. Duration 5 days. Start date is 3 June 2022. The finish date is 8 June 2022. Next, cost planning is divided into 2. First, tangible cost and intangible cost. First, requirement. The requirement is software. Details, web hosting, amount, RM300. Requirement number 2 is network. The detail is Unify 100 Mbps. Amount is RM 800. and intangible cost, the requirement, system developer seminar. The details is to add knowledge about the system we develop and amount RM for 450. Number 2 requirement is improvement and maintenance. The details is to make sure the system runs smoothly. The amount is RM 400. Next, conclusion. Finally, this car rental system is available online and can be accessed at any time. Customer can book a rental car at any time and from any location. With this app, all stakeholders, including customer and car owners, will be able to work more efficiently. Furthermore, compared to a manual system, this system will ensure more secure user data. Payment method can also make transactions run more smoothly. The system also has security features and is easy to operate. Finally, by using this approach, it is possible to reduce the amount of paper used to record critical customer information. That's all. Thank you.